皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means country. On reading is 国. Kun reading is 国. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So there is a question sentence like 国はどちらですか or お国はどちらですか So probably you hear this question from Japanese when you come to Japan. So please remember. By the way, do you remember this kanji? Means tax, right? So 国税 means national tax. And this kanji means operation, right? So 国営 means lands by government. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。